Hello everyone, I am Harshal. Welcome back to new video of campus placement. In this video, I am going to talk about tracks ERP of campus recruitment drive 2020. You can also read the reviews of this company on Google, which is very good company, which is based in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Okay, so this job is posted by Freshers World. They are hiring for associate developer position, and job location is Chennai. Only B and BTech students are eligible for this drive, and almost all branches eligible for this drive. That is, I will name some branches: CSC, IEEE, ECE, IT, ICE, manufacturing, automation, mechanical, metallurgical, electrical, electronics, and instrumentation. And only 2018 and 19 pass out students can only apply. 2020 batch is not eligible for this drive. Okay, so here there will be three rounds of interview. First will be a telephonic round, second will be a video call, third will be a practice test. In this practice test, you will be told to develop one module. Okay, so you need to click on apply now button. I will give this link in description box. मैं link description box में दे दूंगा. आप उस link को click करके ये साइट ओपन कर सकते हो और फिर apply now पे click कर सकते हो. ओके, और फ्रेंड्स प्लीज लाइक करो वीडियो को और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो. मैं ऐसे ही नोटिफिकेशंस आपको देते रहूँगा. सो आफ्टर क्लिकिंग ऑन अप्लाई नाउ, there will be one pop-up option, pop-up form. So you need to fill here your full name, your mail ID, mobile number, current city, and your highest qualification, and you will be clicking on quick apply. After that, you will be getting one link through mail, which is this link. In this link, you need to log in through your mail ID, whatever your mail ID is. Okay, after logging through your mail, you will be redirected to the first screening process. This is the first screening process they are using. Okay, in this there will be, you will be having a 30 questions and total time duration will be 45 minutes. There will be three sections. First will be a JavaScript, which will be having a 12 questions. Second is Java, which will be having 8 questions. General aptitude 10 questions. uh, I can give you idea what I have given the test. I will tell you what is there in test. In JavaScript, there will be some program-based questions. Means you need to predict the output. They have given some few 3 to 4 lines program. Means suppose there is one array declared which is having 3 or 4 elements in it, and they are printing the length. Console.log array.length. So what will be the length of array? Like that questions are there. Some simple ones. Similar in case of Java, you will be having some 3 to 4 lines code, and you need to predict the output. And in general aptitude, there will be three sections: English, Quant, and Reasoning. So in that you will be having total 10 questions. Okay, and so you will be having total 30 questions and 45 minutes, which is very less. So you need to complete your test very faster. You need to be quick while solving questions. Okay, so you need to click on start test, and you can complete your test. Once you get shortlisted, अगर आप shortlist होते तो HR आपको कॉल करेगी अगले राउंड के लिए. ओके, तो जो अगला राउंड होगा वो तुम्हारा टेलीफोनिक राउंड होगा. फिर उसके बाद वीडियो कॉल होगा. फिर उसके बाद प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट दी जाएगी. फिर उसके बाद आपका सिलेक्शन होगा. ओके, तो ये था. और प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट में आपको एक मॉड्यूल कंप्लीट करना, बिल्ड करना होगा. जैसे कि एक वेबसाइट का एक रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर्म होगा, कॉन्टैक्ट फॉर्म होगा, कुछ होम पेज बनाना होगा, डैशबोर्ड बनाना होगा. इतना ही, ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं. और आपको क्या आना चाहिए? You must know MySQL, MongoDB, knowledge of SQL, HTML5, CSS3. Means basically you must know the web technologies. Okay, and salary they are providing is A or A plus. If you search on Google, what is the salary? A plus means it's a grade level salary. You will means it will be a good around means greater than 3.5. Okay, it may up to be a 4.5 exactly. I don't know. You can search on Google. Okay, so अगर आपको ये टेस्ट की लिंक नहीं मिलती आप अप्लाई करने के बाद, तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में आपकी मेल आईडी कमेंट कर दो. मैं आपको सेंड कर दूंगा. ओके, सो यहाँ पे बस आपको कुछ नहीं, जो भी आपका मेल आईडी होगा वो डालना होता है। आप कोई भी मेल आईडी डालोगे चलेगा, ओके। क्योंकि आपको इसी, अगर आप शॉर्टलिस्ट हो तो कोई इसी मेल आईडी से आपको कंफर्मेशन आएगा, इसी मेल आईडी पे कंफर्मेशन आएगा कि आप शॉर्टलिस्टेड हो। अब ये देखो मैंने कोई भी मेल आईडी डाल रैंडम, इट्स ओके, you get logged into the test. So friends, please like this video and subscribe my channel. I will bring some few more notifications like this. So thank you for watching. Bye bye, take care.